Hey guys, welcome back to Nature Channel. Before we get into it, I'd like to say, hit the like button, hold on, subscribe, and if you wait a minute, hit the bell icon. When you subscribe, there will be a bell icon that appears. Hit that and you'll be notified every time I upload. Okay, let's get into the video. Full screen it. Now if you see right here, this is Lizzie, one of my two fire skinks. I can't get the other one, he's underground somewhere. This is the female. Come here, baby. I know. There we go. She's the female. This is Lizzie. You can't put a male and a male together. You can't put a female and a female of them. But this is a sweetheart one. They're both sweethearts, but this one's a little less active. Where you going? Where? But yeah, this is Lizzie. And if you guys don't know, she's named after a YouTuber called LD Shadow Lady. You should go check her out. But yeah, she's named after her. And the male is Joel, named after her boyfriend, and has a YouTube channel called Smallish Beans. I think, yeah, Smallish Beans. I haven't really watched him that much, but LD Shadow Lady and Joel. They're a cute couple. The male isn't old enough to have babies yet, so that's why we have him. But she's a sweetheart. Let's see. And for anyone who are getting these, they are not harmful to other animals. They are not. They're not harmful to dogs, cats, or anything. They're just sweethearts. Can I pick you up? It's okay. I know I'm disturbing you from your little nappy. There we go. It's okay, sweetheart. Sometimes when I do this, she'll put her head up in the air. Let's see if I can get her to do it. Well, either way, she loves it when I pet her head. Yeah, see, you put a little head up. But yeah, this is Lizzie, fire skink. And if you look at the white and black down there. That's her bottom, black and white stripes. And her top is kind of like brownie color. And then the side of her is red, well, orangey red, and white and black. They're very unique creatures. They love sand, so if you're getting one of them, make sure they have sand, water. They'll drink out of a bowl. I've seen them. It's adorable. Now, if you get them from like a pet store or something, I recommend putting the box they came in with, because they love it. They sleep. Lizzie sleeps in those boxes sometimes. They love them. That's like little remembrance of their old home. Sorry. But yeah, that's the remembrance of their old home. So if you're ever getting a fire skink, well, you're gonna need water out of a bowl. They'll drink it. I would recommend putting a box they came in, or something like that, or something they can hide in. Make sure they have sand, and they like to climb too, though. So the boxes would be a good thing for them to climb. Sorry, my eyes are a little itchy. But yeah, and if you have one, wash your hands after you pick one up. Because don't put your hands in your eyes or your ears or anything. It's just for safety precaution. You don't want to get sick or something. But they're very healthy. They're very cute. They're sweethearts. I love them. Hi, Pac-Man. The Pac-Man tank's like right over there and he's like staring at me. Here, hold on. Hold on. I don't know if you guys can see him or not. It's hard to see him, but you see little eyes if you really look. There's some little eyes popping up. But yeah, that's the Pac-Man. Okay? And also give me 1 more second. This popped out of my mic. I don't know if you guys can hear me right now. Here you go, Lizzie. Go ahead. Okay, I'm back. Something popped out, but yep, you saw there was the Pac-Man. But yep, someone wanted to see Lizzie, so, well, the fire skink, so I figured I would show them off. That's weird. Hold on, I gotta do something else. Okay, oops. Sorry. Whoops. Okay, here, Leslie, I'm gonna have to put you down. Sorry. Okay. I'm back. Sorry for that. There were some problems. But yeah, if you guys have getting a fire skink anything, those are good tips. I would also like to warn you, they do get 15 inches. It's not as big as iguanas, but they do get bigger than this right here. So I would get a good sized tank. Mine is like a 40-gallon tank. I think it's either 40 or 30. For 2 of them, you're definitely gonna want a 40 or bigger. Well, 40 or 30 bigger. But let's see here. Let's see. But yeah, those are really my tips to, if you're gonna get one, how to take care of them. I'm gonna repeat them real quick. Make sure they have a water bowl. They eat crickets too. They'll eat crickets, grasshoppers, stuff like that. Only a female and a male can go together. It can't be male or female. Give them a box with something to hide in. Give them sand so they can dig under too. They like to climb. See here, did I forget anything? Get a pretty good sized tank. Yep, those are my tips to how to take care of them. But also, do not be worried if they don't eat for a while when you first get them. It's normal. They just get scared. So, some will eat right away, and some will take a little bit before they eat. And if they still don't eat, try feeding them dead ones. Yes. Oh, and try to make sure they at least get like 3 or 4 crickets. Every 3 days is my thing, but you can do it however. But if you're gonna go a week, I would recommend give them a 4 or 5. But my schedule is every 3 days they get crickets that they eat. I mean, they like it. They get fed. They don't starve. They're all fed and yup. But yep, that's how you take care of a fire skink. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Nature Channel out. Let me just stop.